everyone. As you all know, October is the month of breast cancer awareness. So I'm going to tell you about 3 simple steps that you can do just from the comfort of your own home to have a self-assessment. The first step is pretty basic. It's to look in front of a mirror and see whether you can see any visible changes in your breast tissue. This could include any sort of visible lumps that were not there before, or any sort of dimpling, puckering, skin changes, any nipple retraction, or any sort of appearance like the peel of an orange. Basically anything that is not ordinary or not usual for you. The second step is to do a manual self-breast examination. So for that, what you need to do is basically put your arm up at a 90-degree angle or place it behind your head, whatever is more comfortable for you, and use the opposite hand to examine your breast. So you use 3 fingers and move in a circular motion where you start from the upper outer quadrant and move gradually in a circular manner, working your way slowly inwards towards the nipple. So it's very important in this step to make sure that you don't move your hand up and place it each time you move, and always maintain contact with your breast tissue so that you don't miss out on any sort of tissues. Make sure you are looking and trying to see whether you can feel any sort of lumpiness or formations underneath. Third step is to check for any sort of nipple secretions that are not normal. So this could be of a weird color or something that has a very pungent odor to you, basically anything that is not milk if you're someone who is lactating. If you do find any sort of concerns or worrisome features, be sure to contact your doctor and schedule an appointment as soon as you can. I'd recommend doing these 3 simple steps at least once a month, especially if you're someone who is in your 20s, especially over the age of 25. And if you have reached the age of 40, I would recommend doing at least an annual or a biannual mammogram to be safe. And lastly, I just want to make sure that you know that if you know someone that is braving through breast cancer, make sure that they don't feel like they're alone. At least if it is to lend them a hand in making sure their daily activities are good, or just a bit of support to make sure they know that they are heard and they're not going through this alone.